Hey guys, what is going on? Daniel here. Now in today's episode I'm actually going to be restoring my headlights, or trying to at least. We'll see how that goes. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just got my headlights here. They're not the worst things in the world, but I'll see if I can get it a little bit better. I'll show you what I'm dealing with. So I'm using this. I've used it once, but I didn't do it properly. This was probably a couple of years ago. Still got the box, so I was like, may as well use it since it's here. So we'll see how that goes. We do have to mask it off. So we've got some masking tape to put around the headlights, just so it doesn't go, the polish and all sort of stuff doesn't go all over the bonnet and the bumper as well. So I've got some masking tape, and let's start masking. This is my first time doing it properly with the masking tape and stuff, so let's see. I'll just wipe it down. I did actually wash the car in the last episode. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure you do. Go check it out. I used the Auto Glim products. It was pretty good. Came out really nice actually. Didn't have any issues with it. So first time using it, so pretty happy with that. We'll do this side and see how it goes. Get things sorted. Got the pad here, and also I might have to shake it beforehand. I don't know. That doesn't look right. That's watery. What does it say? I had to shake it because it's. Look at that. That looks horrible. Didn't shake it enough. Okay. That looks better already. There we go. I don't know how much I'm meant to use, but we'll find out if that's too much or not. I don't know what I'm doing, but it does say small sections first. I should probably do that. not doing anything. Just making it more difficult, if anything. It's like I made it worse. I want to try the other pad now. I think I'm doing it wrong, but how bad can I get? Am I right? I get it. So this is the sandpaper pretty much. So I'm just sanding it back to get all that crap out, and then this is polishing it back up. What I think I should do is get a coarser sandpaper. So I think there's a 1500, this one's 3000, just to get all these scuff marks and stuff out and see how that goes. So it's pretty sanded up, but I don't know if you can see there. Just there, the scratches there. And I made some there as well. It's hard to tell. It's still really hazy. But yeah, I haven't really done this properly before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna polish it now and see how it goes. Shake this up. Beautiful. Put it on here first. So I don't know if I'm putting this on too much and too often, or what. See, I'm not sure if that made it any better or not. You might have, I definitely got a lot of scratches in it, so I definitely didn't do it right. I need to go back and sand it back, but it really, don't know. That side, yeah, that's before. So it definitely clears it up. See if I can get the one shot. Yeah, you can see it definitely clears it up a bit. I want to do the same with the left. And yeah, so I definitely don't know what I'm doing. I still don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, better than it was before. Alright guys, as you can see, all finished up. They're not the best. It is a little bit better, I think. This one on the right definitely looks in better condition than the left. I think it was like that before, but I don't know. I'll probably have to do it properly one time, but like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. Just wanted to test it out and see how it went. So that's it there, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe as well, and let me know what I should do or what I was doing wrong to maybe try and fix this, or what you recommend I should do.